Act 1 Scene 1 of William Shakespeare's play, A Midsummer Night's Dream, takes place in Athens, Greece, in a room in the palace of Theseus, the Duke of Athens. This scene sets the stage for the upcoming events and introduces the main characters. The scene opens with Theseus discussing his impending wedding to Hippolyta, the queen of the Amazons. They talk about their courtship and the 4 days that remain until their wedding day. Theseus is eager for the day to arrive, while Hippolyta patiently waits for the time to pass. Next, Aegeus, a nobleman, enters the scene accompanied by his daughter Hermia, her suitor Lysander, and Demetrius, another man who desires Hermia's hand in marriage. Aegeus is furious with Hermia because she refuses to marry Demetrius as he wishes. Instead, Hermia confesses her love for Lysander and her desire to marry him. Theseus, as the ruler of Athens, tries to mediate the dispute between Aegeus, Hermia, and Lysander. He advises Hermia to obey her father's will, as disobedience could result in severe consequences, including death or confinement in a nunnery. Hermia remains steadfast in her love for Lysander and refuses to comply with her father's demands. Theseus then gives Hermia an ultimatum: she must either marry Demetrius, enter a nunnery, or face the punishment set forth by Athenian law. Hermia and Lysander plead with Theseus, asking for his mercy and understanding, but Theseus insists that his judgment is fair and final. Meanwhile, Helena, Hermia's best friend, enters the scene. She is hopelessly in love with Demetrius, who used to love her but now pursues Hermia. Helena reveals her love for Demetrius to Hermia and Lysander, hoping that by doing so, Demetrius might show her some favor. Lysander, moved by Helena's confession and feeling sympathetic, proposes a plan to escape from Athens, away from the oppressive laws, and elope in the nearby woods. He suggests that they meet in the woods the next night and escape together. The scene ends with the lovers agreeing to Lysander's plan and making arrangements to meet in the woods outside the city. Their decision sets the stage for the magical and transformative events that will occur in the enchanted forest and the intertwining of the mortal and fairy realms. Join me in the next episode, where we shall delve deeper into the heart of Shakespeare's masterpiece, unraveling its themes, exploring its magical elements. Please subscribe to my channel, it's completely free, and please leave a like, it will mean a world to me.